Hi, second graders. Today we are going to be learning about the tundra, also known as the Arctic climate. So what I need you to do is go ahead and get out your habitats packet, turn to the page that says Arctic, and then head on back to this video. If you do not have a packet at home with you, which some of you might, or maybe you even lost it, you can go ahead and go to the next slide after watching this video and fill it out with the information that I give you today. But go ahead and get this packet out if you can. Otherwise, just listen. So once you open up to this page, it says, I know about the Arctic. And now you did just watch a video on the tundra, but believe it or not, the tundra and the Arctic climates are just about the same thing. So we're going to use this page in our packet. So it says, I know about the Arctic. When I think about the Arctic or the tundra, I sometimes think of places that are really cold. Even on here, we see a little iceberg or a seal or a polar bear. Those are all animals that live in cold places. So when it says the weather is, I want you to think about what you learned in the video that you watched. What is the weather like? Really cold, right? It is super cold. So I want you to go ahead and write there. The weather is cold. It's also snowy. Lots of snow there. And they have really long winters, longer than we have in Wisconsin, believe it or not. So I need you to go ahead and write here that it's cold, snowy, and they have long winters. Then here it says plants that grow here. You might think in Wisconsin there aren't many plants that grow during the winter, but believe it or not, there are actually a few. There are plants like certain grasses and even other small plants that are able to survive those super cold temperatures. So plants that grow here, we're going to write grasses and small plants. Then I want you to think about, what animals live in the tundra or the Arctic climates or habitats? Think for a second. Look at the pictures on this page if you need help. You're right. Animals like polar bears. Polar bears, or even an animal called a musk ox. We learned about that in our Pebble Go. Or I know some of you know about the Arctic fox. Those are all animals that live in the Arctic or tundra climate. So now that we have this all filled out, I want you to go ahead and color in all of the page, make it look pretty, and then take a picture of, if you're doing this in your packet, take a picture and post it back to Seesaw, or go ahead and go to the next slide and complete the page that is there. And then go ahead and click that green check mark and send it back to your teacher. Have a great day.